Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm in Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree is a store where everything is just $1, and I was here to buy some cleaning supplies. So I thought, why not make a video out of it? So let's see what this Dollar Tree has for you guys, and they have some interesting find every time. So what I found was that back to school items were almost done, and I was really surprised to see these flowers were still up because this store actually is very busy one, and most of the item when I reach is always gone. So they had some few harvest decor, fall decor items. So the reason for today's video is this: Dollar Tree has now installed their Halloween decor item, and you can find it in store. You can see these lovely costume for kids. It can also be used as a dress up playtime. And for girls, wow, they had like amazing variety. I saw a cute little bee dress, ladybug, mermaid, unicorn, princess stuff. So much is there. In case you're planning to buy some, just hurry up because nothing stays for long in Dollar Tree. Hope my camera is going really slow for this so that you can see what all I saw. These cute little wands and wings for girls, a cute little tutu. I have never seen my Dollar Tree this full, and I was so amazed by these cute stuff around me. Now on to some spooky stuff. They got these cute hanging decor of vampire, mummies, witch and ghost. Also these cute treat bags. Also check these out. These are like door decoration and window decoration. Very spooky and very ghost vibe for the Halloween if you're looking for that. So they have this carving tool for the pumpkin, and it's a very lightweight pumpkin which is very easy to carve. Also, to make your pumpkin more spooky or fun, they have these decor to paste on it. You can also find some table cover for your Halloween party. So yes, this is all I saw for the Halloween. Now let's move to the next part, that is top 5 interesting find which I saw in Dollar Tree. The number 1 item is this crayon set. So these are 24 crayons in one pack, and they have Toy Story 4, Frozen 2, Trolls and Jurassic Park, and also Mickey Mouse. So in case you want to see more crayons. Number 2 item. This is Eco Mic in Dollar Tree. Just give it to your kid and they'll find a way to play with it. I'm telling you. So let's go to number 4 item, and it's a Play-Doh cutter. It's a set of 20 piece in a pack. Not a bad for $1. Now number 4 item is this Dollar Tree Play-Doh. They have 2 set of it. One set has 4 units in a pack and another has 8 units in a pack. This is amazing. Your kids are gonna play for hours. Just buy it and thank me later. So the 5th and the final product which I found really interesting and cute that they are in dollar store is these Disney hair brushes. They have little princess on them and these look super cute. So these are the top 5 in my list which I found very interesting and cute. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Do let me know if you guys find something interesting in your dollar store. Thank you for watching.